everyone, welcome back to Southern Customs YouTube channel. This is Mark. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the motors that we're now selling online on our website at www.southerncustomcc.com. We have the Zeda 4040 80s and we have the Zeda YD100s. So when you purchase the Zeda 80, you will get either the black or silver, depending on what you request. It'll come with the upgraded handles, the cylinder and the head separately. It does have the 40mm intake. Comes with the casing, the carb, and all the other accoutrement. This is the M8 studs. And if you get the chrome, it will come with a chrome pipe. Has the upgraded clutch, not the cheap black ones. And gas tank wrapped as normal. So these are the Zeda 80 4040. And now I'm opting to have these sent separately so that you can double check that the piston is installed correctly and that you will be able to easily assemble this with just a 14mm torque wrench. So you'll be able to tighten that down to 12 or 14 foot-pound. It's debatable, but that's up to you. Then we have the YD100. These two will come separated so that you can guarantee that the piston is installed correctly and not installed backwards. You'll be able to check inside of the cylinder for any burrs or have to clean that up with any Dremels if you need to. Once again, 12 to 14 foot-pounds, debatable, up to you. I typically do 12 and then retighten it down to 14. Has the upgraded handles, the upgraded carb with the, I believe it's a 0.79 jet in there. Standard tank. It does have the wider gas tank mounts that make it a lot easier to mount with the wider bike frames. Sometimes you really have to squeeze up the skinnier gas tank mounts, but with these wide ones it's nice and easy and there's plenty of room. This one comes with the 4-piece idler slant. This one has the Zeda clutch and the chrome pipe. And last thing I want to show you is the high performance CDI. What makes this high performance is that it has a larger copper core wiring in there, so it's just a little bit better of spark productivity. So those are our engines. For the YD100, we have that at $179.99, and we have the Zeda at $139. So go ahead and check us out, and we have limited stock right now. We'll be getting more in the future. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe.